Sweet snow peas are so delicious when stir-fried this way.
Sugar snap peas have plump, rounded pods with visible peas inside. Both the pod and peas are sweet and crunchy. If you love sweet peas, you've got to try this recipe. Shiitake mushroom stems can be purchased at supermarkets. Rinse them clean, then soak in hot water for a while before use. After soaking, squeeze the shiitake stems dry and chop them finely. Don't throw out the soaking water, keep it to use for stir-frying later. Dried shiitake stems are convenient to store and can be quickly rehydrated for stir-frying, making them a fast and tasty option. Once softened, they develop a pleasantly chewy texture and add a rich, savory aroma to dishes. Removing the strings from sugar snap peas makes them more tender and enhances their natural sweetness. Just snap off the stem end and pull down to remove the tough string along the pod. Cut sweet peas into sections. Heat all in a wok. Add squeezed and chopped shiitake stems. Stir-fry over medium heat until edges turn golden. The distinctive rich aroma of mushrooms will gradually bloom during frying. This step elevates the dish's fragrance profile and is crucial for umami enhancement. Season to taste with oyster sauce, highly recommended. Its velvety richness complements the earthy depth of shiitake perfectly. Stir-fry sugar snap peas over high heat for just 90 seconds. Perfect doneness is when they turn bright green with a crisp, tender bite. Add 2 tablespoons water if necessary. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Add 2 TBSP water. When stir-frying, shiitakes will absorb the liquid for intensified savoriness, while peas stay plump and crisp. The evaporating steam creates wok breath that harmonizes flavors without overcooking. Simple, crispy stir-fried shiitake stems with sugar snap peas is ready. The aroma is making my stomach growl. Shiitake stems contribute deep umami richness that perfectly complements the peas' natural sweetness, creating layered flavors. Crisp sugar snap peas provide vitamin C and fiber, while mushroom stems boost immunity with polysaccharides and amino acids. This low-fat, high-fiber vegetarian stir-fry delivers both exceptional taste and nutritional benefits. A smart home-style dish. Sugar snap peas are actually a pea cultivar, selectively bred to have edible pods unlike traditional garden peas. The name snap pea refers to how the crisp pod audibly snaps when broken, a texture trademark. The curly tendrils aren't just for climbing, they're edible and packed with phytonutrients. Each pod contains 7 to 10 peas, more densely packed than standard peas with plumper seeds. Avoid pairing sugar snap peas with high oxalate foods. Spinach, bamboo shoots may reduce calcium absorption. Limit combining with cold nature seafood, for example crab. A traditional Chinese medicine suggests this may cause digestive discomfort. Their natural saponins may interact poorly with fatty meats during prolonged stewing, potentially causing bloating. Moderate intake for those with kidney issues contains moderate purines that may affect uric acid levels. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. Yeah, there are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I'm an ovo-lacto vegetarian, no meat but eats eggs, dairy. Friends who avoid alliums like garlic, onion. Adjust seasonings to your preference. The most important thing is enjoying the meal together. When dining with fellow vegetarians, communicate dietary restrictions in advance for both delicious food and mutual respect. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.